Yes, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, man. Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself. Back with another story. Yeah, man. So, I actually have a story, actually, more to share with you guys. With this young lady actually telling a story about her husband. Um, she's actually from Jamaica, and she actually, you know, have a bad experience. Well, if you tell the truth, boy, me have to make you actually just listen to the story and understand, guys, because some things really are going on. Is boy, me I tell you, say sometimes when you buck up with some people, you think so, well, yeah, are the right person you actually buck up with, but boy, the story is serious. Me I tell you, peeps, yeah, man. So, when those listeners who are going, we not waste no time. Straight night we are going. Yeah, man.
My dad with one Asian man. He was born American and his mom is Haitian. We met early 2019 and ever since my life has never been the same. Me no know nothing about Obeah. Jamaica I come from, and I know say Obeah there everywhere.
Science.
But me no know nothing about Obeah. Yes, so me come. Foreign me come know about Obeah. You understand me?
Serious?
So life is really spiritual. You see the man who me there with? Right now, his mother attack my children. You see, my firstborn is not for our son. But I just had a baby for him again. My daughter is 2 and my baby is 6 weeks. And Nadia, from married to the man, 2020, my life has never been the same. Right now, we are going through some things that I tell you, say, I never see them something in my life yet. My son broke out in a sore. And I carry my son to hospital. And them don't know what wrong with my son. Them do blood test, them do x-ray, them do ultrasound, them do MRI. And them don't know. Them say eczema my son have. My son don't have eczema. You hear me? I tell you, my husband look for me and tell me, say, him no say. The things them will happen to my son, I mother do it. Because the mother did tell me, say, if she can't get back her son, she will do anything for keep him or me and my people them. Nadia, I'm live. You see, when my husband is in the military, that's why we're living in Hawaii right now. My husband went to basic training in 2020 during COVID, and I had to go live with his mother because I did lose my job over toilet paper. I did I work at Walgreens, and at the time, the people them did I buy up toilet paper. And long story short, I did lose my job. So when him go basic, I did have to live with his mother. Mama tell you something. Me at 27, and like me say, things will happen to me right now. Nadia, me are the only pitney for my mother. Last night me a ball and me a say, God, me not do this lady nothing. Me not do her nothing. The woman did one bad me, girl. The woman did one bad me. I'ma tell her, say, to be honest, me no mix and mingle in a Obeah. Me a God pitney. Me baptized and filled with the Holy Ghost. Me only know God, and from me tell the woman that the woman got 80 for me, girl. You know much time me nearly, I'm a pitney nearly. Pray over your child, Nadia. Pray over your child. Right now, me have to shack up with Jesus, girl. I can't even go to my bed and forget for prayer. Yeah, my son just left yesterday. Thanks be to God. Him gone and my mother in a Miami. My mother is a prayer warrior. And me and my mother not get along, but you see the things them will happen. God always sure. I'm married to the man go basic training. And when I start live with the mother, one lady woman I know from nowhere, I did want somebody to do my ear. And at the time, because of COVID, them did have mobile hairdresser. And the lady come do me ear. When I meet the lady tell me, good evening. This was 5 o'clock in the evening. Out the door. And when she come in at the house again, my ear, she say, good evening. So I say, I want to that woman here. She never hear my answer. When the woman start do my ear, the woman tap me on my shoulder and say, who live here, so? And I said to the lady, say, I'm staying here. She said, who live here, so? And I said to the lady, say, you know, say my husband parents' house this. And the lady said, let me tell you something. It coming on my spirit for tell you, say, you don't belong here. You don't belong here.
Father
I don't know
talking.
the lady from nowhere, girl. The lady tell me, say, when I walk in at the house, I say, good evening. So I think of somebody, she see somebody lay down on my bed. I sleep in the living room, she see somebody lay down on my bed. So she never know, say, I'm me alone in the house. She think of somebody, and she realize what going on when she start do me ear and she look round. She said, right now, me I talk to you, 4 people stand up in the corner of the house. And everything what me I tell you, them I go back go tell her.
Wow.
And Nadia, the woman say, when the owner for the house come, she go see me and she not go like me. And my mother-in-law come home and tell the woman the woman tell her good evening 3 times. And I'll know my mother-in-law no look up on the woman. And in the night, the lady started talk to me and she say, the Lord say for tell you say you for pack up and run for your life.
Run, man.
Me and my mother never did that talk, Nadia. And me I tell you, say, when me living at the house, some breed of things were happen to me and me can't explain how them happen to me. Me stand up in the kitchen one night and somebody come up behind me and when me look back, me not see nobody, girl. And me tell my mother-in-law, she said, oh, he just wants to see what you look like because he's never seen you before. Yes, girl, the woman have our candle them, she have our dolly them label. One where she pray to for money, one where she pray to for people. Yes, and the other one for all you down. And she not hide it. Anyway, the lady I do me ear and the lady say, please, me I beg you, pack up your things them and leave. The woman say, I don't know where you gonna go, but you need to talk back to your mother. Anyways, me and my mother never that talk as me I say, but my son, I always send him go to church with her. And my mother called me one day and tell me say for come up her yard. I did block her and she used somebody's phone and call me. I'm going to go up her yard and my mother say, oh, you look so. I say, oh, me look. And she say, you not look all right. I'm turn to my mother and I say, I you not know what that woman there do. And my mother said to me, say, you see the same thing when you said to me? Me dream it. The same way how me I talk to her, she dreams to me I stand up and tell her, say, I true, me not know what the woman I do. Anyway, back to the story with the when time the woman I do me ear. Nadia, when the woman I do me ear, the woman started tell me some things. She said to me, say, any me not left, me I got adapt the woman tell me. And when the woman attack girl, the light chip out in a big Miami, light gone in the house, and when me look through the window, light then at everybody else house. The dopey them chip out the light. You hear me? So anyway, I carry the woman gar yard. I did a drive my husband car. I carry the woman gar yard 5 o'clock in the morning because at 12 hours she take for do me here. And when me I come back, I start a ball and me I say, God, me not do that woman here, nothing. And anybody try to do me, I'm a pitney, nothing, turn it back around. Panadia, so when I drop off my husband car girlfriend, and the woman I drive go work, she don't even reach up at the top of the road. One truck lick her and mash up the car.
Father God.
Wow.
You hear me I tell you? Prayer is powerful. Be prayerful and pray for your pitney. Nadia, so when I move out of the woman house, I did get a job at Amazon. And I never have nobody for keep my son. He was 5. But you see, true, I have him when I young. Me and him kind of grew up together. Him is not the type where for like burn down the house or go touch nothing. You understand? He was a minor, but I just get the work, girl. I not no money. My husband did in a basic training and him never did start getting pay yet. So I did have to leave him by himself. And I left my son by himself. And when I come home, girl, my son takes sick. Them send a blow for me. But I never did it and him get it. My son sick for 3 weeks. I carry him to hospital up at Joe DiMaggio in a Miramar up there. So, and the people them do ultrasound, them do X-ray, them do everything, and them say attention my son want. Anyway, my mother start get dark for me now and I say, you think say me coulda there with a man where him mother try to my pitney, she da tell me say me for left the man. Everybody a tell me say me for left the man. But me I say, you know what, in all fairness, I never the man do me nothing. Him not do me nothing, him not know where I go on. Him under one spell to girl. My husband under one spell. Anyways, one woman at Jamaica, my mother call one prayer warrior at Jamaica, cause a Wildman Street Pentecostal we used to go. So my mother call her friend, and my friend tell my mother say, put the phone on him belly. The woman tell my mother say, God say me for say 3 things. My mother said to me, say, I'll know she don't know the 3 things where the woman tell. Where God tell the woman, but my son did get better. I will move come a Hawaii. Fast forward, you see when my husband did I go left for go basic, she bathed him. Him did have to wear full white for 3 days. We couldn't have no sex. Yes, girl, she bathed him in a dead people something cause of that. Him grew up in a yes, my love. And I tell my husband before him left, say, leave the car, cause the two of we have one car. I tell him, say, leave the car at my mother apartment because it not make no sense you carry it go down on your mother, the whole of them have car and whatever the case. The woman a fight me over the car. The woman tell her son say a fear car cause a female fear name the dep on it. And see the now Nad, the car right off brand new 2020 car. Where it fresh off of the lot and the car a 3 times that the car they get in an accident, girl. 3 times. Yeah, and now we move come a Hawaii. And may I tell you say, Nance, it is very rough. My day here and even I feel uncomfortable in my own house. My husband have one sister. She just probably turned 21. When I did I live there, she did I tell me say, I did tell her like me that confide in her because I'm me alone, my mother have as me say, and when I did meet my husband, I did want a relationship so bad with his mother. I never did have to force it. She just reel me in like what you know when them a catch fish and them reel it in, she get me to feel so comfortable talking to her. And when she up on her phone, she up on, oh, my daughter-in-law, and she just make me feel good. You understand? Anyway, you see our daughter, when me did I tell her daughter, say, you know, say, I feel like, say, your mother don't like me and me I go move. The daughter did I tell me, say, no, my mom love you, don't move. But me never know, say, she did I use the daughter to get to me. Because me and the daughter did I sleep at night time, you know. Because I not sleep by myself, girl, in that the house there. You mad? Once me hear said that the boy they walk up and down in the house at night time.
Boy, I still can't believe that.
And then guess what now? Me give a joke when me just move in. I'm up is a blow up bed me did have. I'm gonna put my blow up bed in at the den. My husband have 3 siblings, so 4 pitney the mother have him have 3 siblings and all of them live together. So here the little brother now. Do you know who sleep there? And him start to laugh off of me. So I say, no, I don't know who sleep there. Because girl, I don't know nothing about no Obeah, no voodoo. I'm not mix and mingle in them something there. Yeah. So hear him now. If I were you, I would move my bed. So I say, where I must move my bed go? I can't sleep in a them room. Anyways, Mama tell you, the boy where them said did I sleep in at the spot where I put my bed, a sheet. He went missing. Yes, he went missing. The kids were young, and she tell them say she don't know which part him there. Him never come back, and them find him at the sea, girl. As she him, or dopey them, and you see our baby father where she not there with him no more, but the pitney them father, theme son, theme wife and himself, all know them don't know why. The woman is a murderer. The woman want kill me. I'm a pitney them girl. You see, from a move come a Hawaii, a pure sickness I take my son. And when you see when my
What's
daughter
wrong with
born,
them?
girl, me no know what. My ball because I have a son before and I had a rough upbringing. So when I had a girl, it was kind of hard for me to process the reality kicking now. Me have to go deal with period. Me have to go deal with all of them. Something that's I'm a ball. I'm a beg
Mountain.
God. Me say, God, please help me for be the mother what me never have to my daughter. And me have to pray and a cover her. When me a balling at the hospital, girl, the people them tell my husband say him for remove himself cause them think it's a domestic violence case. But I never that me a ball for. Me a ball because I know say I have a child now and guess what? The generational curse. I have a ball for my pitney. And you know say when my daughter reach one and start daycare, my daughter got daycare, catch herpes in her mouth. The people them say them never have no herpes in them daycare. Yes. And
Herpes.
her eye swell up big. I wish I could have show you the picture with her eye. I true me not know how to do that, but her eye swell up big, Nadia, to the point where she was gonna go blind.
Father.
And I pray, me I fear pray and I bawl and I beg God, please, me I beg you, don't take my children them from me. And you see, when I have that baby here now, cause my baby is 6 weeks. When I have my son, I move out my daughter out of my room and put her in a room with my son. Cause a 4 bedroom I have and a 5 away. Anyway, when I move my daughter in the room with my son, the two of them have them own a bed, so them asleep side by side. Cause I never want she to be alone. You know, she used to sleep with we. Nadia, every night, the pitney get up a ball and a tear down the place, you know. And you see when I take her out of the room and put her back, put her bed and everything in my room. One night me hear my daughter get up and she said she had just two. She get up in the bed and sit down up and she said, no, don't touch me. Don't touch me. And I saw she like she aggressive with it, you know. And me I said to my husband, say, yes, the demons, them a torment her. And you see when I move her out of the room, Nadia, my son start broke out in a sore. And my mother, me and my mother never did that
Father
talk. For
God.
some reason, me and my mother don't get along, girl. Me and her cannot, that them want. Them don't want me and my mother to have a good relationship. So when she piss me off, me just block her. Me and my mother just start talk back when I have that baby here. Cause I did have to lock off she. You understand? Because she not like, I'm not gonna say she don't like my husband. She like my husband, but she just don't like the situation when I'm in her.
But no man
And
would have
so,
liked the situation there.
yes, and so when my daughter wait name them, every night she get up, every night, every night. No, leave me alone. Leave. And she adjust to and she stayed plain. And one night, I sit down and pump breast milk. I hear my daughter get up
Sorry
and she
for
said,
this.
Mommy, where are you? You know, like when Duppy, you ever watch Duppy show yet, girl? She nearly run. She
She
a sing it.
afraid.
Mommy, where are you? Yes, girl. May I go through it? And even to this day, my daughter still wake up and a ball in the night and she in my room. Same way. I understand, say, because I was reading about sleep regression in kids. You know, say sometime some kids, everybody is different. Some kids, them don't really, oh, you would have put it now. True, she used to sleep with we and now it kind of hard for wean her. You understand? So
Yeah,
sometimes
yeah.
when we go through a little sleep regression, it's not sleep regression because the doctor said normally when time you train them for sleep, it takes at least 2 to 3 weeks. It don't take months. It not take months. And so every night me I feel pray over she, me I feel pray over the little boy. So when my son they broke out in the store 2 weeks ago, my mother called me and my mother said, you know, sister, the little boy at the front of you. My mother called me and said, my dream say my Anna rotten off. I'ma jump up out of my sleep and run go on the prayer line. And when you look on my son and me, I go send you the picture of them in your inbox. The whole of my son and look like it actually a rotten off. Him and him whole body broke out in a sore. Him maga down. Him a 9 and him weigh 77 pounds. And I asked my friend, I said to my friend, say, cause she have a daughter. Usually boys are bigger than girls. I asked her, say, how much your daughter weigh? Yes, I know that every child is different. She say her daughter weigh must be 97 pounds. And my son, maga. And so, I live here now with the man. The man, me and him can't get along, Nadia. From we married till now, I can't say that we have been happy. It's always a fight over foolishness. Over foolishness, girl. I'm unhappy. Me even tell my husband the other day, say, you know, say sometimes I just feel like say me I just get up and run well left you. But when you look, me look on the two pitney them, my daughter look just like him. She look just like him, girl. And I just can't afford to mash up my family because at the end of the day, yes, I'm mother do it. And him get baptized too, you know, my mother carry him go to church and him get baptized. And girl from him eye them open up, him can't even talk to him mother over the phone because him head swell big.
Hey guys, what a beautiful people.
Yeah,
It's your girl.
Yeah, man, so come to a close on the story right there, so guys. Yeah, man, right now, I tell you, I feel afraid. Tell you honest truth, feel afraid. Yeah? So what this young lady is actually saying, based on the story, her husband, that is, you know, the mother-in-law, so as she do all of the wickedness. And a person like this, me not believe in a Obeah and all them something there, but witchcraft, real. It's like, say, me tell you, man, it's just like how you tell yourself, say, there's a father above. Yeah, man, wickedness real. Right, me tell you, me just feel afraid, brother. Yeah, man. So I just hope she actually can pull through, you know, with her, you know, our children, them, you know, actually kind of take herself from out of that kind of family. Cause to me, that kind of family is like, them believe in a wickedness. You understand? And for you believe in a wickedness of a God on. You get me? When I believe in them things, I not support them things. You understand? Very touching story and it kind of scary too. If you know, say, you know, she actually go through all of these things with her son and her rat off and all of them things, the people. You know? Yeah, man, but so when they can't stay out of certain things and just, sometimes better you just stay to yourself, tell you the honest truth. But anyway, peeps, yeah, man, that was another story, you know? Very touching. Very, 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 very touching. Yeah, man. So if you make it this far in the video, just give a thanks, see me, you know? Yeah, man. Just remember if you just give the video a like, you know, comment, you know, what you think about the story as well. You know, share it, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, man. I know me feel shake up peeps, I swear. You know, the story actually have me away. Yeah, man, but Father God we say, you know. Yeah, man. But bless upon yourself, man. Until another video, you know. Yeah, man. Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. One done, you know. Out. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.